In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a little hack that you can do to change the colour of any element here in Canva. So let's come onto this blank page just here and let's go to Elements. Now what we're going to do is just choose one of these, and if we click on this, we can see we have no option to change colour. If we edit image, we can use duotone and play around with this, just like that, but there is a better way that we can actually change the colour of this element. Now what we want to do is download this as a transparent background and a PNG. So if we come up to Share, come to Download, choose PNG, make sure it's transparent. Now the transparent feature is actually a Canva Pro feature, so please keep that in mind as well. But what you could do is just download this, take it to somewhere like ClipDrop, and then remove that background. Now what we're going to do is choose page 2, because this is page 2. We're going to click download. Then what we want to do is upload this back into Canva, just like so. Now let's go ahead and make this one smaller and just move that up there. Then let's put this on the page like this. Now what we can do from here is now come to Edit Photo, come to Adjust just here, scroll all the way down, and this is where we can play around with different colours. Now unfortunately we can't actually put the hex code of a colour in these, but if we click on one of these colour boxes we can play around with the hue and go up and down on this bar. So if we move it all the way along, we could choose blue. We can play around with the saturation as well, and also brightness. And if we click onto another box, we can also change the colour this way as well. So as you can see, this is just a really simple way to change the colour of an element here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.